Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. Today is Tech Talk with Sue, and we're going to do an unboxing of a cool new toy that should help with our embroidery digitizing. It should help make everything so much faster. I'd like to introduce my husband, Don. Say hi, Don. He's going to help with the unboxing because it's a really big box. So let's see. It's coming from RAZER directly. So let's open it up and see what we've got inside. All right, well, we've got our sheet there.
And lots of bubbles.
Ooh, look at the big bubble wrap. So it's packed really well, coming directly from RAZER. Love it. Love it. No, stop it. Two boxes. Yeah, look at that. Nicely packed. That's not often that you see that. Quite as nice as that. So these are called Tartarus V2. Really cool. And what it is a macro keyboard. So all these buttons you can program. So instead of trying to find them on your keyboard, you rest your hand, you know, Control Z, zoom in, zoom out. And it looks pretty cool. So why don't you open it up there, Don?
Right.
That one will be yours.
Let's move this box.
All right, let's move it. And put it right here so everyone can see. So, typical RAZER, favorite, green, love it.
Just gotta find it. There it is.
Scissors. 32 keys. RAZER Chroma, which just means it's super pretty. All new RAZER Mecha membrane. Soft cushion touch with crisp tactile click. Perfect. Perfect for the nerdy people. Again, nice boxing and packaging. It's actually a little bit bigger than I thought.
It's a very nice presentation.
Yeah, and it's nice and secure. It's all in foam. Here you go, take it out. It's all in foam. So, extra nice boxing. And always with RAZER, they give you a little instruction thing here. Let's have a look. Stickers. Congratulations. Yes, thank you. A little bit of how to program it. You have to use a program called RAZER Synapse 3 on it, and make sure you register. That's always important. And this one actually has a fair amount of instructions. A lot of times you just figure it out.
Ooh,
and of course, the RAZER stickers, which we have, you know, everywhere. But anyways, all right. So we're going to figure that out later. Let's look at the Tartarus, which sounds a lot like TARDIS. Looks like it might be too big for my hand.
You may have to do some reaching for that.
I might have to reach. How does it suit for yours, Don?
It's supposed to be adjustable too. Yeah.
See, that's perfect for man hands. Little bit. Look at the comfort right here. I don't know. I'll get a side view of that. Look at the comfort right here. Put your hand on it.
Padding down here.
Oh, that's nice and puffy. Yeah, look how comfy. Now that's a button. That's a clicky. And there's also a scroll.
Like a little joystick.
Okay, that'll make for nice navigation. It is meant for gaming, but we are going to change it around and use it for embroidery, for macros, for when we are digitizing.
Very nice.
I think it looks, it's very light too. That's the back of it. It's very light, clicky, so we're going back to clicky buttons. Scroll is smooth. And it's so programmable. I absolutely love it. I like that one too. Nice sense of a click. And this shape, like I said, is great. So, okay, that's the unboxing of it. We're going to hook it up for embroidery. And I'll show you the pretty lights and everything it does. And we'll get used to it and we'll continue it in the next video. So, thanks everyone for watching. This is the introduction to the new RAZER Tartarus V2, so it's brand new stuff. Mecha membrane gaming keypad. And we're going to scratch out the gaming and put embroidery, and that's going to work for us. So it should help with our hands. It should speed us up, and it should be super. So anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to let us know you are nerds too, and you want more things that will make your embroidery faster. And we'll see you guys in the next video.